particular planet is 40,000 miles deep to the core, and we can't send a probe no further than 124 miles. You got me? Okay, good. Alright, let's go on and look at section 2. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Continue.
Explain that Earth is the only planet known to support life.
Okay, in reference to the last chapter that we just did, who can answer this question? Why is Earth the only planet we know that can support life? Hands. Yeah. The atmosphere is the reason. See, a lot of people might say water, and we know water is good, okay? A lot of people might say oxygen. We got oxygen. But oxygen is good. However, oxygen is not even the most abundant gas in our what? Atmosphere. Nitrogen is, okay? So the reason that we are the only planet that's known to support life is because we are the only planet that's known to contain the atmosphere that can support life. Everybody with me? Okay, good.
Section 2. The solar system. Distances in space. Imagine that you are an astronaut living in the future, doing research on a space station in orbit around Earth. You've been working hard for a long time and need a vacation. Where will you go? How about a tour of the solar system? The solar system, shown in Figure 9, is made up of 8 planets and numerous other objects that orbit the Sun, all held in place by the Sun's immense gravity. Reading check. What holds the solar system together?
Anybody know?
The planets in the solar system revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbits. The orbits of most of the planets are only slightly elliptical. They are almost circular. Mercury's orbit is more elliptical. Its orbit is similar to an oval or a slightly flattened circle.
Okay. Now, the reason that Mercury's orbit is a little bit different is because it is the closest planet to the Sun. Now, do the planets have light? Light.
No, yes.
No?
Yes.
No? I say no. Planets do not have light. Does the moon have light?
Yes.
No. The moon is a what? It's a rock. Okay, so it's obvious the moon doesn't have light. It's only one thing that's probably in the solar system that's going to have light. And what is that?
Sun. And the stars.
Stars. Okay, stars. See, y'all got to understand that the sun is a star. And the reason we can see it like we can is because it is the closest star to the third rock from the sun. Everybody understand? The planet is also. You got to understand that. Okay? Y'all have to understand that. That, it has several sections that we did get a chance to cover, right? Including the crust, the lithosphere, the asthenosphere, the outer core, and the inner core. Everybody got that? Everybody understand? Now, they say that the inner planets are made up similar to what Earth is made of. Keep this in mind, children. We only know what we know about these other planets based on what we know about our world. Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
Nobody's ever landed on any of these. Everybody understand, Charlie?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We only know from probe, rover, satellite, and different things like that. Now, did we talk about the different things? What are some of the things that orbit the sun? Give me one. The sun. Yeah. That orbit the sun. What's the obvious thing that orbits the sun? Yeah. The planets. Everybody understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's get a little bit deeper. What are some of the things that orbit our planet? We already talked about a couple of them. Yeah. The moon is one. That's the most obvious. What else? The International Space Station. What else? Space junk. And what's the last one? Satellites. Make sure you understand that you got to start breaking out the difference in orbiting the sun and orbiting the earth. You understand? Everybody got that? Two different answers. Okay? Similar type question, two different answers. All right, now, you should have beginner things to go with the introduction to the solar system. The next thing is measuring the solar system. All right? Make you an area. Let's see that now. You just started this section 2. Okay, but I imagine you understand the first couple of things that were said. But everybody needs to write this. 1 AU, big A, big U. Big A, big U. Kind of look like this. Y'all see it? 1 AU. It's in your book. The stuff I'm pointing to is in your book. 1 AU is equal to 150 million kilometers. Okay? 1 astronomical unit is equal to 150 million kilometers. Now you don't have to just, it's right here. It's located. Yeah, it's in the book. Don't be scared to look in the book.